We propose a novel rocker boogie mechanism with enhanced step climbing and turning performance. This is the proposed robot. It has 6 wheels, with 2 omnidirectional wheels at the rear. The boogie joint motors switch between 4-wheel and 6-wheel configurations. In the 4-wheel mode, the robot turns more smoothly than a conventional 6-wheel rocker boogie with non-steerable grip wheels. It requires only about 17% of the total average wheel torque of the conventional mechanism. The robot climbed a 40-centimeter step in an average of 6.4 seconds. Higher wheel speeds reduce climbing time. At high speeds, insufficient friction caused slip between the wheels and the step wall, leading to asynchronous front wheel motion and lateral tipping.